Hello friends, today I have come here for another video on brain. Okay, last time also you have seen one video regarding how your brain works. It is faster or slower, which part of your brain works faster or slower. Okay, so this time I have come up with another video, okay, so that you can completely find it out, okay, whether which part of your brain is working fast and which part of your brain is working slow. Okay, it's not that it's slow, it's less than the other part of the brain. Okay, so today we will test with three things: with our eyes, with our hands, and with our legs. Okay, so I will tell you some other things. Okay, how to test with your eyes, with your hands, and with your legs. There are two eyes, left eye and right eye. Okay, so you will find out which eye is your eye is working faster, which eye is working better. Okay, which left hand or right hand is working better, which left hand or right legs are working better. Okay, so this is the way you can find it out which part of your brain works better. And I have already told you regarding that regarding your brain, that your brain has left brain and a right brain, two parts of your brain, and left brain controls the right part of your body and right brain controls the left part of your body. Okay, so now start with the test with eyes. Okay, so first of all, my question is that, okay, you start you try to wink with your eyes, okay, like this or like this. Okay, so first you try to wink with your left eye, then you try to wink with your right eye. Okay, and try to find out in which condition you're either either with left eye or with right eye. Okay, which is more comfortable for you to wink. Okay, that you find out first. Okay, that you make a note of it, that with left eye I can wink better, or with right eye I can wink better. Okay, so that you write down. Next, make a point that do one thing, do an activity at your home. Okay, what you do, make a triangle with your forefinger and thumb. Okay, like this, you make a triangle like this. Okay, this is a triangle. You have made a triangle with your forefinger and thumb. Okay, now make this triangle a little smaller. Okay, smaller than this. Okay, like this, you make it like this. Okay, now try to see through this triangle. Try to see through this triangle. Okay, with some object in your room or in your house, any object you just see like this. Okay, with both the eyes open. Okay, with both the eyes open, don't close any of the eyes. Okay, just open both the eyes and try to see through this. Okay, try to see through this. Suppose you are seeing an object like this. Okay, now you're seeing an object like this. Okay, now at this moment only, you close one of your eyes. Suppose you're closing your left eye. You close your left eye. Okay, and see whether you just don't shift this arm or these fingers or your head like this. Okay, don't shift, and whether you can see that object or not. Okay, if you cannot see that object, just shift it little bit. Okay, now try to close your right eye. After closing your right eye, you can find out, okay, or you can see, okay, whether you can see or not that object, okay, from that hole. Okay, if you cannot see, just move a little bit and see that object is seen to you or not. Okay, so now you find out in which case the object shifted. When you close your left eye, at that time your object shifts, or when you close your right eye, at that time your object shifts. If it is closing, if you are closing with your left eye, your object shifts. That means you are looking through this hole, okay, from your right eye. And if it does not shift, if you are closing your left eye and the object does not shift, that means you are looking through the right eye. And if you are closing your left eye and the object shifts, then that means you are looking from your left eye. So like that, you just find out, okay, through which eye you are looking, through that hole. Okay, so that is one activity, that is one task I'm giving it to you. You just do it and find it and write down through which eye you are looking. Okay, so this is the test for your eye. Okay, next you test with your hands, like that. Okay, suppose this is the ball I have with me. Okay, and I suppose many of you are playing cricket, many of you are playing badminton, many of you are playing lawn tennis, many of you are playing table tennis, many of you are playing badminton. These are the many things you are playing: cricket, football, everything you play. Okay, suppose I have a ball with me. Okay, now if I tell you about our right hand or left hand. Okay, hold the ball with the right hand, okay, and try to ball it like this, okay, and try to throw it with a little hard, okay, and try to throw it and you can get the ball, okay. You try to throw it with your right hand, then try to throw it with your left hand. Now tell me in which situation, you just write and make a note of it, in which situation, with which hand you are very much comfortable to throw the ball, okay, with your right hand or with your left hand, okay. That you find it out, okay. From these things you can find that in which situation your which hand is working better, okay, your right hand or with the left hand, okay. Now for your legs, the same thing. You just pick the ball, drop it. While dropping this ball, you kick the ball, okay. Now first you kick with the right leg and then kick with the left leg, okay. In which case you are finding it very much easier for you to kick the ball, okay, with your right leg or with your left leg. Just make a note of it, and then after making all the notes from with your eyes, with your hands, with your legs, okay, then find out which eye is working better, which hand is working better, in which you are comfortable, which eye you are comfortable to see, in which hand you are comfortable to throw the ball, in which leg you are comfortable to kick the ball, okay. So find out in which case it is comfortable. If it is comfortable, suppose in my case I'm telling you that I am looking through my right eyes, okay. When I'm looking through a hole, okay, I close my left hand left eye and looking through my right eye, that means my right eye is working better, okay. For my hand, I can throw better with my right hand, I can kick the ball with my right leg, okay. That means my right part of the body is working better. That means my left part of the brain is which is controlling my right part of the body is working faster than the right part of my brain, okay. So that's the thing, that is the thing you can use, okay. You can try it at your home, okay. It will be very interesting for you. Try to make a note of it and do it, okay. One last, I'm going to show you one more thing, okay. Try to do it at your home, okay. It's very interesting, and after getting the answer, okay, just write me mail or whatever you can share with me, however, whichever way you can share it with me, you just share with me what is the answer of it, okay. Just what you do an activity, okay. This is the last activity I'm going to show you, okay. Just do it at your home and try to find out the answer why it is happening. So first of all, you close your left eye, or you can close your right eye, whatever, in which any one of our eye you have to close it, okay. You have to close it, okay. Now put your forefinger together in front of it, okay, with both the hands, okay. And now don't keep this forefinger so apart, okay. Don't stretch your hand like this, and don't keep it so close, okay. Keep it in the middle, okay. Keep it in the middle. Randomly you just keep it like this, okay, like this, you can see, okay. Now slowly closing your one eye, okay, slowly bring it together and meet at one point. Okay, is it meeting? No. You will get only one chance to meet. To make it meet. One chance, only one chance. Try it at your home and see what happens. Whether it is meeting like this or it is crossing. Okay, in my first chance it is crossed. It has not met. Okay, so try to find it out. Okay, why it is happening so. Okay, if you get the answer, just let me know. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day.